Bare concrete, boring, and hard to clean. In the next 3 minutes, I'm turning this barndominium garage into a jaw-dropping epoxy floor, and you can copy every step. This slab drops right off into gravel, so I'm gonna pull all that junk out first. The good news is these spider cracks are smaller than a playing card, so no grinding surgery is needed. If yours are bigger, hit that link in the description for a crack repair deep dive. Time to open up the concrete pours. I rented a single disc grinder from the Home Depot, garage size friendly, and slapped on my mullet dust collector. Yes, it sucks and it does it perfectly. That's the point. We need to know the moisture content of our slab. You can use this fancy reading if you're a pro, or slap some plastic down. If that plastic stays dry, you're good to go. Under 5%, you're also good to go. I thicken part B before adding in part A. Otherwise, you end up stirring epoxy oatmeal. Once they've all been mixed, you've got about a 3-minute honeymoon, so get to pouring. Stage your patches and hustle. Ribbon, knife, tight, repeat. Come back in 20 minutes and kiss those bumps goodbye with your grinder. Next up is our Moisture Seal Epoxy Primer. We're gonna mix 2 parts A to 1 part B by volume. This stuff bonds to the concrete and holds our flakes in place. You're gonna pour a nice little ribbon right along your far wall and squeegee it nice and tightly. Moonwalk back towards the door, spike shoes on, then you're gonna roll out those puddles. Any puddles cause those flakes to sink, causing you to throw in more flakes. So you're looking for a nice, even, uniform coat here. All right, it's flake throwing time. Don't dump, Chuck. Think confetti cannon, not cat litter spill. We're throwing flake until that shine is gone and the floor looks dusty and dry. That's when you've nailed it. Tomorrow we're gonna scrape off all the loose flakes and save that for the next job. After scraping thoroughly clean as many of those loose flakes as possible, it makes for an easier Polyaspartic Top Coat application. We're going with the Polyaspartic Pro here. We're gonna mix equal parts, and it's very important that you pull this product nice and tight. I like to use my hard scraping floor trowel, and then I'll follow that with a roller, and I'm paying attention for ribbons. If I see any little puddles, I'm gonna thin those out. If my roller gets too saturated, I'll swap that out for a dry roller. Thin to win. If you puddle that poly, it can get bubbly, it could get foamy. Look at that floor, how beautiful is that? You got light foot traffic in about 12 hours in cars after 3 days. Weekly sweep or vacuum keeps it classy. A little dish soap and a soft brush will take out the oil, rust, and whatever mess you make. Show this floor some love. Hit that subscribe button and grab your kit at StoneCoatCountertops.com. I'm Mitch, and yes, you got this. We'll see you on the next video.